What is a baby cat called? A baby cat is called a kitten. What is a baby dog called? A baby dog is called a puppy. What is a baby sheep called? A baby sheep is called a lamb. What is a baby goat called? A baby goat is called a kid. What is a baby chicken called? A baby chicken is called a chick. What is a baby duck called? A baby duck is called a duckling. What is a baby deer called? A baby deer is called a fawn. What is a baby pig called? A baby pig is called a piglet. What is a baby kangaroo called? A baby kangaroo is called a joey. What is a baby frog called? A baby frog is called a tadpole. What is a baby seal called? A baby seal is called a pup. What is a baby rabbit called? A baby rabbit is called a bunny. What is a baby fish called? A baby fish is called fry. What is a baby lion called? A baby lion is called a cub. What is a baby bear called? Make a guess.